Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume. Now, granted, the entire markets were once again crazy today, so it's not shocking to see so much volume here. But nonetheless, definitely got to get some things updated here. And from a technical perspective, there's really two main levels that stand out. And none of these are a great discovery, so I don't want to come across like this is some sort of special skill I have. And I make those comments because when a lot of people are watching certain levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have with these couple of levels. So the first level, and there's nothing fancy behind this one at all, other than the fact and question of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And the good news was it basically stopped right away at 91 cents. And I say right away because the market opened up, spent a little bit of time down there, and then from that point actually got a very nice bounce to the upside. So 91 cents, 90 cents, right around that area. Definitely a very, very important level of support for, as I said, nothing fancy, just simply because, well, if this is some sort of bottom that's trying to, take shape here, well, then by definition, you want it to stay the bottom by not going any lower. And quote unquote any lower being defined as 90 cents or below. Now on the flip side of things, and this is what I don't want to say ruins the chart, but it's relatively disappointing, but it's also now made a very apparent level of resistance. So red for resistance, but this area right here at the, what is that? The dollar mark. So you can see price made a big bounce up, pulled back below, and once it broke below $1, you can see multiple times, pretty much all afternoon long, try to get above $1, could never quite do it. So like I said, very clearly, a lot of people have taken notice of this and are going to be wondering the same thing about $1. So if the price can work its way back up there and then get through it, like I said, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. That could very easily create a nice upside movement. So we'll see what happens with it, but still one day left this week. So let's see how Friday all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.